you have a vision, the next step is mission. In mission,
Yes.
what we should do is we should look at whether there is such activities happening around this country today or not.
Yes, they are happening.
There
Currently,
are-
a couple in Arunachal Pradesh. Yes,
There are many.
There are many. Yeah,
In
there are many. Sir.
in Tamil Nadu, this year in the beginning, January, we had a long discussion on such a program. And I made a detailed study and also submitted a beautiful project on that. My contention in most of these cases are the first suggestion of taking from some orphanage.
Yeah.
That is what no good parent who is educated in good status, have their own facilities to live peacefully and nice, will surrender their children at the young age to some place just like that, because any ashram or any gurukulam is like an orphanage. I am giving my child thinking that no, you are better than me, you will take care of my child.
So these days no one will give.
Yeah, no one will give. So
But you are conducting such a good, I mean, satsangs.
Listen.
Yeah.
Therefore, the option is to advertise. There was one proposal: advertise and collect from whole India, from every state, at least 3-4 children if you can pick up, and then maybe at the lowest cadre in society where they are not able to make. Every parent wanted to keep their child with them. If they are giving to somebody else, that means at the last resort. Okay,
Yes.
assume that somebody is giving. There is a basic study which is conducted on the excellence of academics, excellence of social skill, which people have. It says 50% of your capacity comes biologically to you. It is hereditary. So,
Yes.
and 40% comes from your environment. It is
Sir,
10%.
you're right.
It is 10% that comes from self effort.
You're right, but sir, I would like you to take to the olden days where there is a author called Animesh. If you have read his trilogy, okay. I mean, it was in a famous novels these days, like it past 2 to 3 years, it was a famous novel. So I happened to read his novel where he's mentioned like, like Takshashila or something, that kind of universities in those days. So his novel was surrounded all around the Shiva and the Vishnu. And today is good, it turns to be tomorrow's evil. Okay, something like that he described. All during this course, he has come up with some concept. Okay, here is the concept that I can. I think that is viable for us to inculcate when we are starting a new something like So what he says is, as soon as the ward becomes of 3 to 4 years, okay, breastfeeding or something which stops from the mother, so then this ward is picked and sent to that particular place that we create. Okay, so here this candidate, irrespective of his caste and varna or whatever it is, he will be raised same. But later on, depending upon his skills, if he is skilled as a warrior, then he is given a emblem of Kshatriya. Okay, I mean in those days, how the caste varna is being given to a person, not for these days it is a caste varna as per the history. It has come as Kshatriyas are ruled as Kshatriyas and Brahmins as Brahmins and Shudras as Shudras or whatever these days. But as per his book, it is this way he has said, if the candidate is scholar, okay, then in the Vedas or in the science, then he is taken that particular candidate to be given as a Brahmin. Okay, if he is good at the even in the warrior stage, like if he is good at archery, or if he is good at infantry, it's something like he will be subdividing the cadre into that particular branch. So today we have only four kind of groups in schools. One is Nalanda, Takshashila, something like 4 colors: orange, green, red, and blue colors. The other 4 too, I forgot the names of it. So sorry, sir. You need to tell me what the other colors are. So this is how even I was brought up. I was one of the group. We used to group, and we used to conduct some sports and something stuff. This is already existing in, but you need to identify the candidate which he is. If he is good at in the arts, means what are these arts, sir? I'm sorry. I mean, these arts are like literature, or this comes under one art. Social history, this comes under one art. But this Lalita Kalas, the music or the instrumentation, this comes under the other.
Maji,
yes, sir.
We will go to the details after first understanding the basic agreement whether such things are possible or not. Okay, so you did not allow me to complete.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah, my first contention was on the background of the students. You are thinking about how the class has to be divided, how group name has to be given, what is to be taught, and all that. I am only looking at 2 components. One,
how we will get the kids.
One, who will be there to learn?
Orphans.
Second, that is what I am disagreeing. Second one is who are the people who can teach them? You know, one rarest of the rarest available in this country, in the whole country, but whole world, but in this country very specifically, are good teachers. Even if you look at probably some ashrams, I had an intention to start a magazine which was called Guru Parampara.
Okay.
And in which I wanted to interview the saints in this country, the so-called seers.
Okay.
To look at what is their motivation. And I did some, it was almost 10 years back. I had some bunch of people who were ready to work with me. We found most of them doesn't have any aim. If they are seers, they are into a self-realization mode. Their social commitment is very less. When somebody gets some money from because they have a saffron dress, they get many things free. They become rich. Then they starting a medical college. Then they start expanding their territory to different countries. They roam around and they are digging in different places 1 feet, thinking that water will come in 1 feet. It doesn't come. So assume that you want to make a difference, you have to start an institution. And if you look at, there are many such padashalas happening. I was in Goa few years back. There is a beautiful ashram which makes children to chant, but they are not from orphanage, they are not from such places. They are the children of pandits who are already into this puja. They know Veda, they understand the importance of this, and they have a tradition. They belong to some group of followers of some tradition like Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. There are
Yeah.
many such traditional schools happening around India. Probably 50 years back we don't have such schools, but today we have maybe 100 times more than what was there earlier.
Yes.
There are Veda Padashalas where Indian open school scheme recognized them, and if you know little other subjects and Veda, you are given a certificate of 10th class, 12th class, up to graduation. Everything can be done. So the system is already there. It is not that it is not there, but the dilution is in terms of the ability of teaching, bringing them up, getting them into a higher social status so that they can rule this either administrative, politically, judiciary, higher officers. Whether they are reaching or not, the answer is not that much, because they will also end up becoming like a priest in some temple. So we are not creating a societal change, we are only equipping the system of puja, system of who people are involved in the Vedic study. We are creating a second generation, third generation. There are some pandits, their children, who are into like maybe MNC company, professionally very good, but they also practice these Vedic programs parallelly and get equipped in their basic traditional skill. Even when last year this time I was in US, we know many of the employers, senior officers, all of them have interest in this. I was teaching Bhagavad Gita, there used to be a lot of senior people, professors, dean, including the chairman of some company. They used to come every Saturday and listen, learn. All this is happening. So there are high position people who are interested in this. There are people who had tradition, therefore they practice this. Some of the teachers are already had the tradition, Parambaryam was there. So they had family background and they were not in contact. But because of some association with some people, some satsang, they started reorganizing themselves. They get into temple as a part-time priest and then they attend office also. So these things are happening. We are not going to make a huge difference in the system. The concept is understood, it is good. I also discussed with the people. That's the reason I wanted you to know what is that you had in mind. But,
sir, you are right.
Yeah.
It's not only me and you, and we have a proof that there are people who want to make some difference and
yeah. So
do different studies.
I am looking at a via media.
Yeah.
What I am looking at is there are traditionally ashrams and such people who are doing it. My concern was such people who have this Indian background of learning system, knowledge and tradition are not reaching into high offices like civil service or maybe judge or maybe politicians or something. So I was looking at not a free program which is funded by somebody, because to get such people for high funded programs, best teachers require a lot of money.
True.
And no good senior great persons who have got this sort of a knowledge, they will come and stay with these people to share. Assume that you have to run a Gurukulam from small age 3rd to 23. That means you are thinking of 20 classrooms or 20 batches. 20 batches nearly require, you know how many teachers? You require more than 60-70 teachers of that quality.
Yes, you are right, sir.
That is impossible, and that is what is lacking. That is lacking.
No, sir, it is possible.
Yeah, provided, that is what I am saying, provided you have huge money and that sort of facility where people can get accommodated.
Because I have a thought on this. Sir, me and my husband discussed almost for 2 hours. We recorded it. I cannot play it because there's some of much is in Telugu and some of that was in English.
Yeah, I understand Telugu equally well, no problem.
Oh, okay, then I'll try to send it to you, sir.
Yeah.
So we were discussing how to pick the scholars.
Yeah.
Because they need to have the same passion towards it.
Yeah. No, let me tell you. Let
And
me
they
tell you,
need to
Maji.
stay in the Gurukul itself from the morning till the. I mean, they have to be with the child. They have to be in the. I mean.
Campus.
So they need to, they cannot leave the surroundings. So in order to see from the morning till the evening, one cannot take care that much. So we need the ayahs or take carers or the wardens or whatever
See,
we call
again,
all
Maji, you are going into details of how to run.
Yeah, we need.
I am talking about not that. I am talking
Sir,
about who
how
will
to
be there
grab.
who will be there to learn, who will be there to teach, what is the funding availability, what is it lacking then, Maji, to start?
Someone to stand up and to run.
Okay,
Someone to
see.
reach them.
Do you think
Sir.
you have sufficient money can be provided, sufficient children can be given?
Yes.
Money is there, we can get meritorious people.
True. Yeah.
See, there are some 20 people who are ready. I am sure it becomes viable to start.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So try.
Really?
Concept is there with you. Facilities are not a problem,
Okay.
because at the younger level getting even trained teachers is not a big problem. For 20 students we need such a system only, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is not a big problem. See,
It's not a big problem, sir. But
I
we need. Yeah.
I go to Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalayas in Arunachal.
Oh. Great.
Except
Okay.
that it is not a residential program, but other than residential program they have lot of children. Compulsory residential is not there. They get children from younger age. They have lot of facility. There are more than 37-40 schools where I visited. I was
Okay.
part of Navodaya Vidyalaya centers. I know many of them. From 7th class, this is a setup which government has. Only thing,
Okay.
the Indianism teaching in the Vedic Gurukula style is not there. They run a normal casual program with all these facilities also in the government setup. See, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, the chief secretary himself is the chairman for that society. That means it
Okay.
is part of government. Government gives land, government gives building. Only teachers and running cost has to be by the trust. I used to spend 10 days there with the children. Once in a
Okay.
year I go, and the program was called Prajodayat.
Oh.
Prajodayat is enlightenment.
Yes, sir.
So I've been traveling across India, going to different places, understand and related to education especially. I also have run a program which is called ICON. You must not have not seen these. These are all available on my website, my YouTube.
I have gone through some of
Yeah,
the
it
videos
is
of
large
yours,
number,
but,
so I will send you these ICON playlist and also VKV, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya playlist.
Yes, sir.
The ICON program, what I did was, I picked up instead of young children. See, managing young children, when you have at 20 children, you need also a hospital.
Yes, sir.
See, it's add-ons, and not that difficult to handle children from 8th grade onwards. There are 2-3 problems when you shut the whole society and then create them. That is one objection which I had when somebody wanted me to become director of that. I said I am not there, because by the time they reach 12th class, they realize they have been away from the normal society where, see, growing up is not education and learning something. It is also mixing with the variety of people. See, when many people will learn many things when they go to a market, and along with their parents when they go, they learn different things. when different style of people mix together with a different family background, they share their experiences. That's a new learning. So there are many aspirations which comes to children because of their variety of experience which they have. Once they become 8th, 9th, 10th class, that is where they get concretized idea. This is what I wanted to become. Now assume you shut them into this, and when they become 8th, 9th, 10th class, they become the teenage, they understand this is not what I want in my life. They will leave this system and go. You cannot hold them. So most of the time, most of the Veda Padashalas which are around, the maximum people who goes out leaving this institution happened when they are between 15 to 25 years. If somebody joins at the age of 15 or between that age, they will continue throughout their life. So it is understood, it is not that people will stay until their post graduation just because they are in the early childhood, they are with you. Early childhood is not the time and place where you have to put them into. You cannot compare the situation with a traditional Padashala. That is because when even in that case, if you look at Krishna, Lord Krishna, God Krishna, he traveled from one state probably to a long distance to learn in a Gurukulam. That is because there was a great Guru. With his name, people wanted somebody to be with him. So you need always a focus point to say this person is a great personality with whom I wanted to learn. But that passion will not come from a child. It is their parents who decides. With them, when they live for 3-4 years or maybe 10 years, from age 3 to age 13, when they get into high school 8th class, they find that this is not what I wanted to learn, I want a different life. This is possibly can happen. Therefore,
You are giving a practical problem.
these are practical, these are very, very practical problems. So when we had discussion, we had prove your credibility. The easiest method is, that is why I stopped looking at children. I did this program where there was somebody who was picking up young children and then taking up to 12th class as a daycare program, but taking care of them fully free, uniform free, education free, food in their houses also given free, scholarship was given though they are not staying here, all that was done. But then I challenged him saying that you don't have to do it from childhood. I can do it in 2 years if you give me 8th class children.
So 8th class children.
And I did it. And I did it in 1 year. I taught only 1 year, but they made a lot of difference. So
How did you manage to
not managing. I don't manage, I do it. Managing is when you cannot do, you manage
How
it.
you implemented it? Sorry,
Yeah.
How you implemented it?
I asked them, you do with your house, you go to your schools. In any Indian situation, 365 days, only 200 days is academics.
Yeah.
I need only 165 days. Holidays only I require.
Okay.
And I started showing them different movies, biographies. They were Malayalam medium. I changed them to English medium. Started talking about life patterns. Got lot of experts from music, poets, cinema stars, pilot, doctors, researchers in biology, different MNC company people, film stars, and only people who speak English. They were born and brought up and then educated in Canada, came and then started teaching them English, and took them to Goa beach, asked them to mingle with every foreigners there, see the world around, So it was like a giving them 1 year an experience which somebody can gain for probably 10 years in their life. That 165 days holidays was like a rich experience, fully busy, teaching them how to read a newspaper, how to grab knowledge from that. All that is done, and I was waiting for to see after 10 years what they will become. Recently I had a discussion with a few of them joining on Google Meet. I am in touch with them on WhatsApp. They are from the poorest of the family, where teachers and parents, all of them said these children will never pass 10th class. Such worst situation was there in their family and society, and schools were so bad. But then 37 of them passed with the A plus in all subjects in 10th and 12th. At least few children are doing PhD in Delhi now. Many of them are in Bangalore. Many of them are doing MTech. Some of them went to, you can imagine somebody goes to Cambridge and then doing post graduation.
Right.
So,
Right.
so what I believe is, if I start a program now and wait for 20 years to realize it, by the time Dr. TPS will not be there in this world.
Yes, sir, that's
Yeah,
what.
another one. Then what I did was, when I came to Hyderabad, I was busy in many other projects, but all my holidays, thanks to Telangana Bandh, all the holidays in offices and colleges, children used to come, and that program was called the Shiksha Holiday Program. Where what I did was, any day, any children can come to my house and be with me from morning till evening. They are all working in Infosys, working in Cognizant, working in different TCS. They are all MBA, HR, working as HR in some company. They also are engineering students, maybe management students. So many children used to come. And what we used to do is, we learn everything what is around our subject, with the focused aim of learning fantastic, and also aiming for highest profession. From their present position, they must be able to jump into higher and higher positions. Now assume that, Maji, with your thought process, you are able to become an administrator in government, where you can influence lot of changes. I am sure you will make some difference to the society. So what I believe is, what is possible for me today is to create people who, with this vision, not shutting your vision is not my aim. Make you equip yourself to be a influential person who can reach into higher level, either financially or administratively, so that you can take this challenge by yourself and then start the program happen by your force.
That's a great one, sir. I never thought of having it on my own.
Yeah.
I was thinking that you can implement it because, you know, you are already in the track and you are a good influencer on the media as well as on the society.
See, I am sure. But when it comes to, I get lot of children with me, where even they will listen to me than listening to their parents.
Sir, my concept, I thought of picking the people, I mean, the ward at a very young age, just because many people form too many patterns. As they grow, they form the patterns in their brain.
Yeah,
So I wanted a ward to be patternless. He wanted a positive frame to be constructed for his own in his life. So anything he can achieve, anything he can do, or anything he can grab, that's what I wanted, all of a crystal and the positive vibes all around. So that's the reason I suggested taking a young child, I mean the very ward. So
see, that is what I believe, that need to be like a supplement program. Because today government new education policy NEP 2020 already planned to have children from 3rd grade onwards in schools. So there is no pre-school, LKG, UKG now. There is going to be 3 plus. The age 3 onwards, they will start education in a structured way. And that structure will have a lot of flexibility. And that flexibility, assume that you have a group of institutions, like there were lot of kids schools, there are a lot of branded schools like Chaitanya, Narayana, right? Assume that there is no, what I'm saying is, if there is a brand which we can create which says like a Gurukul style of schools, and then train the teachers, give them franchise in different places. You understood? So that we can create, see, for example, if you can create 10 such schools in a year and show that can make a difference, I'm sure it can make a lot of difference. I had such a scheme under me where my bunch of child care center which was planned, which was called Grandma Child Care Center.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and the symbol also I made. I remember making the making Grandma GCC. This was the emblem which I created.
Oh, okay.
This is actually GCC, Grandma Child Care Center.
Good, sir.
Okay.
It's different, but CCK, something like.
You understood? There is a G there and there is a CC. So the Grandma Child Care Center is my brand, which I started one in Kerala.
Okay.
And
so is it still existing?
I don't know, because I did not invest money. There was some, actually it came like some teacher came, some cross marriage between two different religious people. There was a lot of fight in the family. He was abroad, so I met the husband, I met in abroad, and he said my wife is in full fight with me because she belongs to different caste. Then I found that major problem is she is not working. She is a basically qualified teacher. The teachers training courses and all she passed, and she has a small child, and she is staying in a good house in the center of the city. Her parents are staying somewhere away because she married to some other caste, then they were not in contact.
Okay.
So actually she came for a counseling program. So first what I did was I gave a this was there in my mind. I am always in academics. So immediately what I said was I wanted her to start a school in that center of the city, in that building.
Okay.
Which I converted without doing any repainting. See, schools cannot have a normal paint on the wall. I made flux, which exactly modified all structure into like a beautiful jungle paint and all that. No, without the whole thing was remodified within 5 lakhs rupees.
You invested 5 lakhs?
Yeah, that's it. Just 5 lakhs rupees. And then what I did was, every child when they enter in the classroom in the LKG start crying.
Yeah.
What I did was I kept a beautiful camera there and a big display system projector. So as they enter, they will see crying immediately. No child like to see them crying on their own face.
True.
You understood? These sort of psychological tricks were used to change their mood immediately. The whole floor was made into cushions.
Okay.
So children like to jump and then fall. And so many such ideas. I may have a small video on that. I will send you that also.
Yes, sir,
And
please.
what was done was that under my program, I just wanted her to be earning and then involve with her parents and in-laws and all together to support her business, and their family problem was solved. And in first year they got 20-25 children, just like that, because we made an inauguration with including the municipal chairman becoming there, and then came to media. All that was done. Understood?
Okay.
So within 10 lakhs she started an institution, and first year itself I am sure 23 children would have paid them sufficient money. It happened long back, some 10 years back or 15 years back. That's what I think. So I am sure if we can start such 10 centers in some places. I am not a businessman. I have a concept. I know how things to be done when there is some requirement. But going to people, canvassing, taking care of them, marketing and all is not my job.
Yeah.
which I am not good. So I prove such techniques and then put them. When I am happy with that, that's over. So I wanted to prove this will work. That's it. I am a pilot project man than a project man. I am a creative person than a production man.
Okay, I got it, sir. I got it.
Understood. So when Maji says I am too much interested because I told no. You understood what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understood. I understood.
Yeah, because if I get fixed to that, I actually made a floor plan where your construction of hospital has to be there, where dance parlor has to be there, where people from outside can come. I don't want my children to get insulated from the society. So what I wanted was lot of part-time teachers coming from the society so that they will share their experience. Second one, I want a dance class for the Gurukulam, but that has to be shared with the society. So that other children from the society will come, our children also will join. We want a football court where football will be played not by our Gurukulam children, other children also will come and play. You understood? So it is not an insulate. I want a vibrant society to interact with children. That also I made plans. All that, including the floor
My
plan.
plans are syncing with your plan, okay?
Yeah.
As you keep discussing, this is what I was thought. This is what I thought. Okay, my plans that comes into the operation, what I'm discussing, so that are in sync with you.
No,
For your information, sir, my sister, I have got two siblings. One is young. I mean, both are younger. So I got a nephew. So she was very terrified to give away a child into the child care. So she started her own child care center.
That is what I said. So what we can do is, whatever education policies which I have, the grooming children, we can educate many such 10 or 15 different child care centers, teachers program.
We can do this.
Give them our banner. Give them our like it is not a franchisee, independent franchisee. We are not expecting any monetary benefit, but we will give all that support for monitoring them, counseling them, giving them the problem they can share. Then we will tell them how to take care of that problems. All that can be done. That can be a good approach, via media approach, where we will give them syllabus. See, even they don't have to learn Vedas. If they at least learn all the different slokas and the meanings and the content inside that, I don't know, you have seen my book called Nitya Sloka.
Okay.
Yeah, Nitya Sloka was every Saturday I used to have lot of children at my house, and where I teach them this Nitya Sloka. And when I was in Delhi, I was part of Bala Gokulam. Bala Gokulam is a group of people where young children are taught supplementary program. Every holiday they can learn different slokas, meaning, Indian tradition, storytelling, mother tongue, Sanskrit and all that. Which Jaipur and some other Raipur, steel plant, Bhilai, all these places I went and then started this for Bala Gokulam. Kerala and Hyderabad, Bala Gokulam started in my house. Now there are more than 13-14 centers. I will also send you that Bala Gokulam. We celebrated 10th year now. No. Yeah, 10th year celebration was not 10th year.
Sir, I have a thought. Just as you are talking, I got what.
So can we start Bala Gokulam at your place with 10-15 children? I will provide you all the facilities. The syllabus, what is being taught, how is it run. You can start a Bala Gokulam there, which could become a supplementary teaching program for children. At least one day in a week for at least 2-3 hours with children who will be having lot of games, play, all that.
Sure, I will try to run this in my house or nearby somewhere.
That is how it is run. See, when I go to all the Gulf countries like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, definitely all the UAE countries when I go, I meet these Balagokulam children.
Great.
We are able to communicate well with them because we have a common learning system. So what I taught them was all the slokas. That book is called Nitya Sloka.
Okay.
If you search, I will send you the link also. Nitya Sloka. Go to my website, books, you will see one book called Nitya Sloka. We have not even written in Sanskrit. What I did was, the transcript is in English, so that everybody can read.
Okay.
And when what I did was, the Nitya Sloka book, when I went to Tamil Nadu, there were somebody who was ready to print it. I said to print 1 lakh copies.
Okay.
1 lakh copies were freely distributed.
Okay.
So there are so many such activities we can parallelly do to change a society. Instead of giving fried rice to 20 people, I want to give common chapati and one sabji for 100 people. From which somebody will find interest. See, I never learned Sanskrit in my childhood. I never learned Veda in my childhood. But when I grew up, I had the taste, so I found myself my gurus. That's how I reached into Himalayan master Swami Rama. That's how I reached into Brahmastri KPC Anijan Patadharipad, who are all Vedic masters of the best in the world. So, if some seed can be given in childhood with a lot of play around, living in their own family, not separating from their parents, be with them, learn whatever they want, but then give the small seed in them. I am sure when we grow, my children, I taught them Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, Nitya Sloka with my children along with the other children is where I was teaching. So automatically that is there in them. Now they are not full time into this. As a parent, I don't like them to be in full time into this. They should open up their own. Though you bring up them into the same parent, same mother, same father, put them together. My one son is a postdoctorate in social science.
Okay.
He is in Ireland doing a postdoctorate after PhD. The other son is in nuclear physics.
Okay.
Whereas I am in mathematics, my wife is also a mathematician.
So then you can do wonders being a mathematician.
No, that is what I am saying. We should not influence anybody, including my own son. I don't want them to be this. They have to mingle with everyone, be in the society, be a common person, but supplement them with all the knowledge.
That's what my mother did exactly. I'm very proud learner under her wings. Like my mother made us to choose. Like 3 of us, she gave us the freedom to choose. But she taught us how to learn, how to choose your academics, where do you want to master, how to listen to my heart, what I want to do. So she made all this and she gave us the freedom and wisdom to guide ourselves.
I'll tell you, with your contacts and connections and relatives and friends, if you can identify at least 10 of them.
Yeah, for Balagokulam.
Who can start Balagokulam at different places. I will give the training to you what is to be done with the children, how to engage them, at least 2 hours per week.
Okay.
Train you well.
Sure, sir.
And I am sure your 10-20 people will get another 20 people. We are reaching out to 400 children in the country.
On current day?
Any day.
Yeah, okay.
Any day, whenever you want, midnight also, no problem.
Sure, sir.
You understand?
Then I will find out and I will get it. That's a good one. But sir, how will this happen? The initial talk, are we going with GVK Rao Garu?
See, they are all business people, I'll tell you.
Yes.
I never visited a Pragati resort at all.
Okay.
I was interested in a concept called how do these people are working from home. They don't have physical exercise. So what I did was, I started doing some cultivation of something and I wanted somebody to guide me in that. And then I asked some people who got connected to me. I was in Enadu on a page. I don't know whether you have seen that or not.
Okay, these days I didn't get it, sir.
It was in January 2020. Somebody wrote about me in Enadu, one full page. That
Okay.
supplement. You can search Dr. TPS. I'll send you that link. And
Yes,
in which
okay.
some person contacted me, and then we had dialogue like this. Then he told that he is also interested in agriculture. Then we were had many discussions like this. What I am having with you, I had a lot of discussion with him. Then I told him. He said the biggest problem is the organic farmers and all that. They are not able to market things. Then I said we should make a webinar and then see how we can connect all these people together, so that together we can move. So I conducted 2-3 webinars. That is where you also joined one of them, probably.
Okay, yeah.
Then I
joined the webinar.
was running a webinar like that in 2 different places, connecting different business people, agricultural people, and all that. GB Rao joined in one of the webinar by some reference from somewhere. So I was
given by my boss to join this particular webinar of GVK Rao Garu in the morning.
So this
Where
happened.
we-
This happened before that. Actually,
Yeah,
this
that's
webinar happened much before that, in which GB Rao joined as a participant.
Okay.
And then I found GB Rao is the Pragati. He told that I am running, mine is Pragati Resort. I am the MD for that. Then I told him, around you, I will make few webinars. And I made webinar where he explains everything about him. So he found that I am interested in a thing. So we started the discussions. We had a lot of sittings together. Then I suggested to him, this can be done, that can be done. What I did was I asked a few students, create a beautiful project under this, where a return on investment has to come, like a project for MBA.
Okay. Yeah.
But I have not seen children responding positively on this, because nowadays everybody doesn't want to think, they wanted only job. But that is the time when Srisha Maji was making some proposal saying that no, some great thoughts. That is why I was behind you. I wanted to discuss with you.
Sir, if this can be implemented, there's a lot of struggle, sir.
See, that is what I am saying. It is not.
Yeah.
We should not implement such Gurukulam in a resort sort of a situation, because it's all business and it's all for some purpose.
Yes.
I have places where these things can be implemented thoroughly, and some places were implemented and failed.
Oh, okay.
I have a lot of experience. I will give you one another example.
Connections with
Many. I will give you one example which you will be actually surprised to listen. There is Vivekananda Kendra in Kanyakumari.
Okay.
That is the center of Vivekananda Kendra in India, whole India.
Okay.
The director of that was a lady, Lakshmi Kumari. You can all Google and find out what I am saying is correct or not.
Sure.
Lakshmi Kumari, I call her as my mother.
Okay.
She is very close to me. There are times when I wanted to listen a lecture in that place. That is very close to my wife's residence.
Okay.
I conducted 3-day workshop with my students in that ashram. That was the first workshop which happened ever in that ashram. The facility is very good, but not much activity. The reason is, she became the chief of Vivekananda Kendra. She wanted to take a retirement.
Oh, okay.
And she wanted to go back to her hometown in Kerala, which is close to Kodungalur. Kodungalur is the first place where many foreigners came, and then the ship was anchored.
Oh, okay.
That is close to that Arabian Sea coast. It is close to Cochin.
Okay.
It's a small town. And
Okay, sir.
she wanted to stay there. Then immediately Vivekananda Kendra said, you cannot go and retire like that. We will send a few people as your assistants. You create a small ashram and stay there.
Okay.
Get rid of your administrative positions and all that. But then such people cannot stay alone there. Immediately what she started was, she started a Gurukulam.
Okay.
where Ayurveda, Jyotisham, Veda, everything can be taught. When
Right.
in the beginning there were few children, but after some time there was only one kid, that was my Guru, Vedic Guru, Brahma Sri Anujan Bhattadripad. His granddaughter was the only child. That is because he belongs to that Vedic tradition. He understands that. He, as a grandfather, insisted her to continue there. You understood what I am saying? So what happened
yes.
in her +1, +2, she failed.
We don't want to do that.
Yeah. Then what was done was, she wrote both CBSE and state syllabus same year and passed in both. She became double +2. With her Sanskrit background, Vedic background, astrology background, all that, she joined Sri Ravi Shankar's Ayurvedic college and then became BAMS.
Okay.
And she got married and practicing now. So my Guru's granddaughter became a very, very traditional learning, but still today if you look at, she is only a normal Ayurvedic doctor, no difference at all.
Oh, the
Yeah, and-
transformation that we do,
Yeah.
that has to stand alone.
That is what I'm saying. These experience from somebody who retired as the chief of Vivekananda Kendra.
That is very horrible failure, really.
You understood?
No. Yes.
So I know many experiences, talking to many people, discussing with many people and all that. The basic reason is great funding has to be there. Like I am sure if a rich man with a big background starts supporting this, it will happen. So money is a big criteria, because every parent wanted to see their children in the highest places. Probably, as you said, Saturday, Sunday you have to stay in. So practicability is very, very, very less. Okay. If there are some beautiful ashrams created, and then what we saw is, after some time the maintenance becomes a big problem, because in India starting becomes simple, but then
Yeah, maintenance is difficult.
running day-to-day activity, we need a huge administrative support. That is where I said I don't want to do that, because my focus is on learning and teaching.
Okay.
The time I start an institute, it is not that Dr. TPS cannot start institute. Immediately my focus will go. See, in my old home in Kerala, 200-year-old house, I converted that into an ashram,
Yeah, I saw it, sir.
where many children can come and stay. 500 children came and stayed with me. Nearly 3 years running program, approximately 30 programs I did. But you know, the most difficult part is not teaching them, taking care of them. Imagine 25 girls and 25 boys. That too at the teenage, comes and stays in a single house. You can imagine how much problems will be there.
Yes, sir.
All
Again.
such thoughts and problems I can solve. But what I have to look at is taking care of the food, taking care of electricity, taking care of water, taking care of the servants, cleaning it. It's a big, now I am maintaining it just like that for last 2 years, which idle. But I somehow feel that keeping it idle and maintaining is much more peaceful than running it, because there is a big job to be done. Unless somebody who has a heart, who involves, look at it, every bit of it. There no doctors in that village. If there were instances when something happened, I have to actually treat the child by myself, because the hospital is 20 kilometers away. If I have to take, I only have to drive my own vehicle. You
Yeah.
got it?
Yeah,
So,
I got it.
so it's a big job. I had my brothers, cousin brothers, whole family, whole village, many people in support, but nothing like you doing and somebody else supporting. There is a difference, right? So many days I post, I was supporting the nearby school students to learn. So 2016, this day I was teaching chemistry to them. Yes, and I teach chemistry, physics, mathematics, history, Hindi, English, all the subjects I used to teach one day, to give them the spirit of learning. And I am 100% sure I can do that. I am happy in doing it. I give them food. Sometimes I give them extra facility. Like October 2nd, my father's funeral day, I distribute lot of bag, books, dress, cap, so many things to them.
Oh.
So these are all done as part of whatever pension which I get, whatever benefit which I got on the retirement time, all that is invested on this experiment.
Great, sir.
So I am not a rich man, but I have got sufficient time to invest for my, and you can see from March 24th to now November 6th, every day one posting from me. One YouTube will be there which is on education. Either it could be Lalita Sahasranamam, Vishnu Sahasranamam, or maybe some scriptures from Shankaracharya, or maybe Bhagavad Gita, or maybe different questions or satsang from different people. So my intention is invest my time in equipping somebody to learn something so that they become useful for the society tomorrow. That's it.
It's a great thought, sir. You are doing it actually.
So I can
You are
supplement.
implementing it.
I can supplement with anything, but I am not one who will run some. I don't go to somebody and then say I can run this at your place, because then my flexibility, my large spectrum of people, because I am teaching business administration now. Yesterday I taught somebody how to prepare for CAT examination. Day for yesterday I was teaching how to read a newspaper, analyze newspaper. If you look at it, the variety of things which I do is a variety which I wanted to retain. That is the reason I don't take up something in a, if I become director of a Veda center where age 3
That
onwards,
becomes your routine then.
that becomes a routine. That is the basic.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm a person who believes in the administration. So, I think that it has to happen and it has to be there in the place.
No, whatever Maji starts or whatever you think what is useful for me, wherever I am useful, I will be there to you. But I don't think that support, that sort of a canvas you will get when you approach an institution, even if it is an institution by somebody.
Sir, it's a thought I have. We will try to approach the daycare centers or the play schools.
Yes.
So we will try to conduct a satsang for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
You have prepared one,
Yeah.
so that we will try to tell them if they can inculcate a part of it into their
Sure.
daily curriculum or something like that.
Yeah.
So, sir, I believe in this Vedas because the Vedas will enlighten you as well as they will give you a sharp brain. When you learn as a child, your brain will be sharp. That's what I think.
So you start collecting people, then we will have some, you can fix a time and then tell me, we will have. Probably best thing is to start a small WhatsApp group in which we can start discussing and then fix a time accordingly.
Currently, I do not know much of the place to owners, but still I'll try gathering some people around.
Sure.
We will conduct a satsang.
Sure.
It might take some time, but I'll get back to you.
We can start next year also if you want to. We will have to start from now, because November, December is the time when they start admissions. Traditionally, this year it may be different.
Yes.
And then January, February, March, April, March, by the time they have to start their session, we need 5 months of preparatory time.
True.
Yeah.
So, but this then I just teach me the Balagokulam curriculum that you have in.
Yeah.
I will run that parallelly.
The basic thing is, I will give you that Nitya Sloka textbook. You can pick it up and start learning.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure.
I will send some videos of, you can look at the Balagokulam link where you can see 10 years back or 15 years back, I was teaching children the Balagokulam classes. And that is exactly the same book which was made into a book later.
Okay.
And that whole book I am reading somewhere, discussing somewhere, that Nitya Sloka also can be seen. So explaining the meaning, and each sloka by slokas an explanation of scientific analysis, all philosophical analysis also there in the different blog. I will send you all that link.
Sure, sir. I'll go through first. Then I will come back to you with the doubts.
Sure.
Can you
Sure,
explain
sure.
me and
Sure. Even today
it might
at
be like-
12 o'clock
Yes,
I
sir.
have 12 o'clock I have a discussion with one of the student from the exactly I am telling her message is coming from
Oh.
Abu Dhabi. She keeps reading and learning everything like this,
Okay.
and she is just asking me to send the link. So in that also she is asking some doubts about the satellite and all that technical, but she also has got one or two slokas as a doubt.
So there are people who are passionate.
Yeah,
who
there are.
teach their own subjects.
See, these children and all, this girl is only an 8th class student, but she used to be with me. She attended my camp in Kerala, my hometown, Nanam. So she
Okay.
continues her passion.
Oh, yeah, that has to be there, sir.
Yeah, that is
we
good.
need to only concentrate on those who have the passion.
That is good enough. That is where I have this Maya Satsang, in which there are a lot of people.
What is the time that you conduct the satsang? I usually miss it. Sometimes whenever
See,
it's
generally
possible,
I don't fix the time. What I do is, somebody is asking, this is the doubt which I have. Immediately I ask them, when do you want? You fix the time and then post it there. Some people will post in group, some people don't post.
Okay.
If you wanted this to be attended by others, you could have posted in the group. That's how I do. And sometimes there is a, sir, you please post. Then only I will post.
Oh God, sir, I did not know that then.
Yeah, this is
Next
all
time
like that.
also we will post.
See, for example, now 12 o'clock somebody is meeting. So I did not post it there. I will ask whether she wanted me to post. Immediately, yesterday somebody wanted to know CAT preparation. I posted in the group. There is a discussion happening in CAT preparation. Whoever want to join can join. I am not looking for 10 people or 20 people. One person is good enough. Maji is there with me. That's good enough for me. And if somebody else is required, they will come. If similar people, somebody had this doubt or some discussion, I would have added them specifically, individually. Otherwise, I will post in group if that happens to be a group discussion requirement. So today, I think today evening there is somebody talking on live. Actually, yesterday she asked me, I wanted to make a presentation. I said, when do you want? Saturday. I said, Saturday, Sunday evening I have something else. Somebody else is calling me for a lecture, so I cannot. So then immediately she said, tomorrow evening. I said, fine, post it. So she made a flyer and then posted. That's how it happens.
Oh.
So it's very, very informal. And whoever is free, whoever wanted to attend, that time they can attend. That's why I believe. You are there in the group, so you are not in the group.
I am there in the group, sir.
No.
I only receive after conducting, after the Maya session, you shared the posts, right?
No,
Only
but
that I received.
you are not there, I think. I
So
don't
that's
know.
where I'm missing it.
I think what I do is sometimes there are a lot of people who don't active, then I will remove the whole group and then restart. In the new group, you are not there. You didn't know that I threw you out of the group also.
No, sir,
Yeah.
I'm there in the Maya satsang.
Is it? No, Maya Satsang itself is not there
Yeah,
now.
you removed me.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. I don't
You
want
remove-
people idle there for namesake. 100 people are not required. So what I do is maybe once in 3 months or 4 months I will throw the group out, then start fresh again. Who is active? See, otherwise do you know how many groups I will have? I will have hundreds of
Okay.
groups.
I was just trying to look when always I miss this class. So that's what
See, if you not being active, you are not interacting with me, that means you are not interested in that. So why should I keep you in the group? So what do I do is,
unnecessary one place is
it's a burden for you and burden for me also. I will throw you out. Then immediately or just before throwing, I would have posted one message saying that we are starting a new group. If interested, join there. And that will stay only for 2-3 days. So 3 days you have not seen that group message means you are not interested in the group. So that's gone. So the other people joined and new people again will join. Otherwise, there may be many people meeting me, coming to me, going from me. I am not even keeping account of them. There are few people who continues with me for last 10 years. They are still with me. And they are not individually. Sometime the husband may be in the group, but wife have a problem in the house. She will telephone and tell me.
Okay.
So it's like a family counseling. Yesterday I had more than 1.5 hours for somebody's family problem. I am a psychotherapist, so my job is counseling. That also I do parallelly. So they know, oh, my husband will
So
listen
you are
to
a great speaker, you know. you are a
my
great
husband
speaker.
will listen to you, sir, so please tell this. That also I will have to do sometime. No.
So we can reach you for that as well.
No, let you not me of any use to you. That is what my guru always keeps telling. You should always pray that you are of no use to anybody in the world. When I say that I will call you Maji, yeah, Maji should not have any use of me. What is that prayer means? I want Maji to be independently strong.
Yes, I got it.
That is what
Yeah.
I was taught by my guru. When some student comes with a doubt, I keep praying that let the student have no doubt from tomorrow onwards. That means they must be able to study by themselves.
Themselves.
So my job is to make people strong by themselves, learner by themselves. But still there can be somebody who needs some support at some point of time. That is what I will give.
Sure, sir. I understood.
Yeah. So I am always there with you as long as you want.
I'll surely utilize your scholars, I mean,
Enjoy. See,
intellectuality.
what I love
Yeah.
is lot of questions, lot of discussions. Most of the discussions which comes may lead to some refinement in your thoughts, because you don't jump into same accident, same bad experience, same loss in your time and then money, right?
True.
That's it. So
Yes, sir.
bye bye.
Thanks very much
Thank
for
you.
that
God
time,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you.
I
Thanks for-
enjoyed being with you for last 1.5 hours almost.
Same here, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I will edit this and post.